Like living waterfalls, trailing indoor plants cascade with elegance, turning shelves and corners into lush, green artistry. Their flowing vines soften spaces, purify air, and add depth without demanding much room. From delicate tendrils to bold draping foliage, these unique plants bring movement, charm, and a refreshing natural rhythm into modern interiors, perfect for enhancing calm and visual appeal effortlessly. Let's quickly explore these plants. Philodendron Hedraceum micans is a mesmerizing trailing plant prized for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves that shimmer in shades of deep green, bronze, and purple under changing light. Its soft, luxurious texture gives it a rich, elegant look that stands out in any indoor setting. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions, making it easy to grow. Its cascading vines are perfect for hanging baskets or shelves, where they can trail beautifully. With simple care and occasional watering, it brings warmth, depth, and a touch of sophistication to your indoor plant collection. Silver Sateen Pothos, Scindapsus pictus, is a striking trailing beauty admired for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves adorned with shimmering silver patterns. Unlike common pothos varieties, its foliage carries a soft metallic sheen that elevates any indoor space. It thrives in bright, indirect light but adapts well to low-light conditions, making it beginner-friendly. Its cascading vines look stunning in hanging baskets or draped elegantly from shelves. With minimal care and moderate watering, this plant grows gracefully, adding a calm, sophisticated charm to interiors while enhancing your indoor plant collection with its unique texture and visual appeal. Ruby Necklace, Othona capensis, is a vibrant trailing succulent admired for its slender, bean-like leaves that shift from green to rich purple under bright light. Its cascading stems create a striking waterfall effect, especially when paired with its cheerful yellow, daisy-like flowers. This plant thrives in bright sunlight and requires minimal watering, making it perfect for low-maintenance plant lovers. Ideal for hanging baskets or elevated planters, it adds a bold pop of color and texture to any indoor space while bringing a unique, eye-catching charm to your plant collection. String of Pearls, Senecio roleinus, is a truly distinctive trailing succulent, featuring delicate strands lined with perfectly round, bead-like leaves that resemble a flowing green necklace. Its unusual form instantly draws attention and adds a playful yet elegant touch to interiors. Best grown in bright, indirect light, it thrives when given space to cascade freely from hanging planters. The plant stores water in its pearl-like leaves, making it drought-tolerant and easy to maintain. With its sculptural beauty and graceful trailing habit, it creates a stunning visual statement in any indoor plant display. Inch plant, Tradescantia zebrina, is a fast-growing trailing plant appreciated for its smooth, patterned leaves and naturally cascading stems. It develops quickly, forming a dense, flowing display that looks beautiful in hanging baskets or placed on shelves. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light but can also adjust to moderate indoor conditions with ease. It requires minimal care, needing only regular watering and occasional trimming to maintain its shape. Known for its easy propagation, even small cuttings root quickly and grow into new plants. With its graceful trailing habit, it brings softness, movement, and a refreshing natural feel to indoor spaces. String of turtles, Peperomia prostrata, is a delicate trailing plant admired for its tiny, rounded leaves arranged along fine, thread-like stems. Its compact growth creates a soft, cascading effect, making it ideal for small hanging planters or shelf displays. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers lightly moist soil to maintain steady growth. Slow-growing and easy to manage, it is perfect for limited spaces. With its intricate leaf pattern and gentle trailing habit, it adds texture, detail, and a charming natural touch to indoor plant collections without overwhelming the surrounding decor. Swiss cheese vine, Monstera adansoni, Known for its naturally formed openings in the leaves, Swiss cheese vine adds a distinctive and elegant touch to indoor spaces. Its trailing vines grow quickly, creating a lush and flowing display that looks beautiful from shelves or hanging planters. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers lightly moist soil for healthy growth. It can also be guided to climb, offering flexible styling options for different spaces. Easy to care for and adaptable, it brings texture, structure, and a refreshing natural feel to interiors, making it a popular choice among indoor plant enthusiasts. Trailing jade, Peperomia rotundifolia. Delicately cascading with tiny rounded leaves, trailing jade brings a soft, graceful touch to indoor spaces. Its slender stems form a gentle trailing pattern, making it perfect for hanging planters or elevated shelves. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and requires only light watering, making it easy to care for. Its compact growth keeps it neat and manageable, ideal for small areas or minimalist decor. With its subtle charm and flowing habit, it adds texture and a calming natural feel, effortlessly enhancing the beauty of any indoor plant arrangement. Fishbone cactus, Epiphyllum anguliger. With its uniquely shaped, zigzag foliage, fishbone cactus stands out as an eye-catching trailing plant for indoor spaces. Its long, arching stems create a bold, sculptural look as they cascade from hanging planters or shelves. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil with moderate watering. Despite its cactus name, it enjoys a bit more moisture than desert varieties. Easy to maintain and adaptable, it brings structure, movement, and a distinctive character to interiors, making it a great choice for those seeking something truly different in their plant collection. String of hearts, Ceropegia woodii, is a delicate trailing plant known for its slender vines lined with small, heart-shaped leaves. Its thin stems create a light, airy cascade that looks elegant when allowed to drape freely from hanging planters or high shelves. This plant prefers bright, indirect light and requires only occasional watering, making it easy to maintain. It can grow long, graceful strands that add a soft, flowing touch to indoor spaces. With its gentle trailing habit and refined appearance, it brings a sense of calm and effortless beauty to any plant collection.